Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your WhatsApp active status in 2025. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So first of all, you have to open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Here I'm going to open it. Just normally swipe up the phone and here you will see your app. Normally search here if you can't find the app. Here is the app. I'm gonna open it. And now you will see an interface like this. Normally you have to click on this three dot bar on the top right corner. So normally I'm gonna choose it. And after that you have to choose this settings option. And then you will see an interface like this. Normally you have to choose privacy. And here you will see another option, last seen and online. Choose it. And from here choose nobody. And also choose it as same as last seen. And that's it. You have successfully turned off your active status on WhatsApp. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.